Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So recently we went to Hyderabad and this time we wanted to visit Ramoji Film City. So this video is all about it. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show.
As soon as we entered, it felt like we are in a completely different world. Once we got our ticket, we took a bus to go to our first destination, which was Ramoji Film Magic and Wild West. In Ramoji Film Magic, you get a first-hand experience of how movies are made. After enjoying few attractions, we went to the Wild West. The Wild West set is immaculate, and you know this is Wild West, so you may expect the unexpected. ये है Wild West की टोली, कहीं इधर उधर से चल ना जाए जानलेवा गोली.
So from this point, we are visiting one studio to another studio using a red bus. So please sit back, relax and enjoy the collection.
What you see right in front of you is an amazing arena that they rent out for birthday celebrations and wedding celebrations. Just think about it. While moving around, I decided to record some of the beautiful sculptures that are around here. After enjoying a carousel ride in the Fundestan, we decided to take a red bus, and the red bus took us to the North Indian set. So if any director wants to make a movie based on North India, then everything is available here. Everything within 20 seconds walking distance. And if a director wants to make a movie based on a village story, then entire village is available right here. From here, our red bus took us to the prison, then went to the live sets, and from there we went to the train stations. And if you see each and everything, it is so detailed and so immaculate, it's amazing. And you can see all the workers, they are preparing the set based on the requirement of the scenes. And this is the Mahabharata set, and see how amazing and beautiful and so perfect the set is. What you can see right in front of you is a real train, but this real train does not run on a track, rather it runs on wheels, truck wheels. Isn't it amazing? If a director wants to make a movie based on London, then entire London set is available here. And if the director wants a scene where it will be snowing, no problem, it will be snowing in Hyderabad also. At the end of the London set, they have international airport, and from this international airport you can take a bus, a red bus to the Bahubali set. On our way to the Bahubali set, this is the place, if the director needs to make a sad scene, this is the place they will make it. Our second last destination was Bahubali set, and here we spent maximum amount of time. And as soon as we entered the Bahubali set, our kids, their happiness was beyond imagination. Whether it's playing the drum or doing anything, they just had a blast. Bahubali set is just unreal. And did you remember this bull from the Bahubali movie? I'm sure you did remember that. इस मौके पे कुछ लाइनें अर्ज कर रहा हूँ, जरा गौर फरमाइएगा. अगर कोई बोले फैबुलस है रामोजी फिल्म सिटी, ना समझ लेना उसको झूठा या झूठी. क्या अमेजिंग थीम पार्क बनाया आपने मिस्टर रामोजी. एक बार तू भी घूम के जा, मत कहना ना जी. एक बार देख लो एक्शन थिएटर इन फिल्म मैजिक, अच्छे से समझ जाओगे फिल्म बनाने का लॉजिक. यहाँ के सारे सेट्स और प्रॉप्स है रियल फेक. तू भी यहाँ आके कभी आंखें फाड़ फाड़ के देख. फिल्म सिटी को देता हूँ मैं 5 में से 5 स्टार. मौका मिले तो आऊँगा और कई बार. मौका मिले तो आऊँगा और कई बार. At this point, I want to mention that this film city is one man's dream, and everybody will describe this place in a different way. Somebody will say this is amazing, somebody say this is out of the world. But I think the best way to describe Ramoji Film City is that it's a brainchild of Padma Vibhushan Sri Ramaji Rao. This place is a landmark example of when a human dreams, what a great achievement he or she achieves. So next time when you come to visit Ramoji Films, I want you to appreciate the fact that what a great work Mr. Ramoji Rao has done in this place. We are living with great memories. Thank you, Mr. Ramoji Rao.